Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here the questions from conic sections, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So it will help for not only for JMINs but also for MSET, NDA, like different exams. BITSET is already over, but for the competitive exams related to 11th and 12th class, it will help. So let us have a discussion. Before that, thank you for joining the students. Thank you, Ostakil, for joining the session. Here the question is, if 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 1 are two normals of the parabola from a point, then the third equation of third normal is x plus lambda y equal to mu. Then lambda plus mu equal to, options are provided. See how we are going to find this. First, you have to solve these two. Why? Because two normals of the parabola from a point. So three normals are there for, at most three normals are there for the parabola. So this is one normal, another normal, another normal. For this slope m1, for this slope m2, for this slope m3. So solving these equations, first given normals, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 1. Solving these two, you will get this point P. Px comma y will come. So solving the above, solving the normals, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, 2x minus 2y equal to 2. This equation multiplied by 2 to eliminate 2. So subtract, minus, plus, minus. These two will be cancelled. 5y equal to 5, y equal to 1. So y equal to 1, substitute in x minus y equal to 1. So x minus 1 equal to 1, x equal to 2. Therefore, the point of intersection of normals is P of x comma y is equal to P of 2 comma 1. We got it. So point of intersection of normal we got. What they are asking to find, then the third equation, third normal is also passing through the same point, 2 comma 1. Whose slope is m3. We don't know the slope of, but we have the property the equation of normal to the parabola at P of t is y plus xt equal to 2at plus at cube. It is the quadratic cubic equation in terms of t, then it has three roots, m1, m2, m3 respectively. So this equation I am going to write as like this: at cube minus 2at minus xt minus y equal to 0. Here is this one having the roots, that means indirectly slopes distance m1, m2, m3 respectively. So from here I want sum of the slopes, cubic equation. So m1 plus m2 plus m3 is equal to, here there is no quadratic term here, so 0. For the first normal, slope of first normal, this is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, whose slope is m1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. The slope of second normal, x minus y is equal to 1, no? Second normal is m2 equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is 1. So minus 2 by 3 plus 1 plus m3 is equal to 0. So that implies that m3 equal to 2 by 3 minus 1. So m3 equal to minus 1 by 3. So slope of third normal we got and passing through 2 comma 1 loop. Therefore, the equation of third normal at P of 2 comma 1 with the m3 with slope is y minus y1 equal to m3 into x minus x1. This is x1, this is 5. So y minus 1 is equal to m3. m3 means minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1 value is 2. So 3y minus 3 minus x plus 2. So these values bring this side. Minus x bring this side plus x plus 3y. So minus 3 bring this side plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. This equation you have to compare with the given equation. So x plus lambda y is equal to mu. So by comparing, lambda value 3 and mu value 5. So therefore on comparing, lambda equal to 3 and mu is equal to 5. So they are asking to find lambda plus mu. Therefore lambda plus mu equal to, so 3 plus 5 which is equal to 8. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. I hope you understand. Only thing is you need to remember the procedure, and important point is this one. Normal equation is a cubic equation. It has three roots. Yeah, we'll move to the next question. the focal distance, the focal distance of a point, the focal distance of a point on the parabola, on the parabola y square is equal to 16x, whose ordinate is twice, whose ordinate is twice the abscissa is, except the vertex of the parabola. Is right 16 4 2. So first, given parabola y square is equal to 16x. This equation compared with y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. What is the parametric point on this p of t? So it is equal to p of at square comma 2at, parametric point of this parabola. So a value we got it now. So p of a value, what is a? 4t square comma 2 into a is 8t. Okay. Later, I think we cannot use this. We can use whose ordinate given condition. What is the given condition? Just roughly explain, Mohit. Ordinate is twice of the abscissa. This you can substitute in y square is equal to 16x. So what comes here? So 2x whole square is equal to 16x. So 4x square minus 16x is equal to 0. So 4x into x minus 4. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 0, automatically y value is also 0, no? If x is 0, then y is also 0. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 2x means 2 into 4. So y is equal to 8. Not valid. Sir, why sir you are saying that it is not valid? Except the vertex of the parabola. If you take 0, 0, it is a vertex, no? So it is not valid. Only this one will be valid. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. This is the point. X is equal to 4. What is the formula for focal distance? Focal distance formula. The distance from focus to the point on the parabola. So, mod x plus a. So which is equal to mod x value is 4 plus a value is also 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So therefore focal distance is 8 is there in the first option, dear students. This is not required. If it is required, you can take it. We'll move to other question. If 4x square plus py square is equal to 45 and x square minus 4y square equal to 5 cut orthogonally, then the value of P is equal to, and the value of P is equal to, so first both the curves, one is ellipse, another one is hyperbola. So 4x square plus py square is equal to 45. So whenever the two curves cuts orthogonally, the product of slopes equal to minus 1, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So what we have to do is differentiate with respect to x. So you will get 8x plus 2py into dy by dx is equal to 0. So dividing by 2 also, you will get 4x plus py into dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx makes subject from here. So py into dy by dx equal to minus 4x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 4x by py. This is the first curve slope. So dy by dx I am taking as m1. m1 is equal to minus 4x by py. Keep it as equation number 1. Similarly, come to the second one. Second curve, x square minus 4y square is equal to 5. Differentiate with respect to x. So 2x minus 8y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 8y into dy by dx. So dy by dx makes subject and dividing by 2 on both sides. So dy by dx equal to x by 4y. This is the second curve slope. I am taking m2 it is my x by 4y. Since the curves cut orthogonally, then m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So m1 value minus 4x divided by py into m2 x divided by 4y equal to minus 1. So these two will be cancelled. So 4x square is equal to 4py square. So x square is equal to py square. So this x square value substitute in here in this. Better to substitute in this. X square is equal to 4p square. So py square. Substitute in first cut. 4x square plus py square is equal to 45. So 4 into x square. No? So what comes here? 4py square. In place of x square I am writing this plus py square is equal to 45. So 5py square is equal to 45. So py square is equal to 5 ones 5 nines. So py square value directly substitute in this. X square is equal to 9. What they are asking to find? P value. So x square value 9 substitute in this, in that. So 4 into 9 plus py square (9 minus 4y square is equal to 5). So 4y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to 1. So these x square and y square values substitute in this curve. 4x square plus py square is equal to 45. So 4x square, 4 into 9 plus p into 1 equal to 45. So 36 plus p is equal to 45. So p equal to 45 minus 36. So p equal to 9. Okay, students, the value p is equal to 9 is there in the third option. I hope you got it. Yes, students. Let 16x square minus 3y square minus 32x minus 12y is equal to 44 represents a hyperbola product of its square of eccentricity, square of eccentricity and length of latest rectum. Length of latest rectum is lambda, then 3 root 3 lambda equal to first represents hyperbola. It is given now. So given hyperbola 16x squared minus 3y squared minus 32x minus 12y equal to 44. From these two 16, from these two minus 3. So 16 into x squared minus 2x minus 3 into y squared plus 4y is equal to 44. Later, 16 into x square minus 2x, adding and subtracting plus 1 and minus 1, minus 3 into y square plus 4y, here also adding and subtracting plus 4 and minus 4. So 16 into x minus 1 whole square minus 16 minus 3 into y plus 2 whole square plus 12 is equal to 44. So 16 into x minus 1 whole square minus 3 into y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 16 plus 12 minus 4. Minus 4 bring here, 48 will come. Dividing by 48, x minus 1 whole square by 3 minus y plus 2 whole square divided by 16 is equal to 1. So here a square equal to 3 and b square is equal to 16. So here it is normal hyperbola. Therefore eccentricity E is equal to root over a square plus b square divided by a square. So which is equal to root over 3 plus 16 divided by 3. So therefore E is equal to root 19 by 3. Eccentricity is over. Next, length of latest rectum LLR equal to 2b square by a. So that is equal to 2 into b square value 16, a value is root 3. So which is equal to 32 by root 3. So later what they are asking is product of its square of eccentricity and length of latest rectum. Product of square of eccentricity and length of latest rectum LLR is lambda. That is product of square of eccentricity means E square into length of latest rectum LLR is equal to lambda. So what is E square? Squaring on both sides now here. So E square is equal to 19 by 3. So 19 divided by 3 into LLR 32 divided by root 3 is equal to lambda. Cross multiply it, students. 19 into 32 is equal to 3 root 3 lambda. That's what they're asking. No, 3 root 3 lambda. So what is 92 is 38. 19 3 is 57, 3 608. So 608. 3 root 3 lambda equal to, so 608. It is there in the second option, dear students. So we'll move to next question. If E1 be the eccentricity of the conic, nine x square plus 4y square is equal to 36, and E2 be the eccentricity is the E2 is the eccentricity of the conic, 9x square minus 4y square equal to 36, and E3 be the eccentricity of conic, x square minus y square equal to 36. Then the value of 18 into E1 square plus E2 square into E3 square equals to see, first you have to write the given conic. First conic, 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. Bring into standard equation of ellipse. So x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. For this eccentricity, E1 equal to root over b square minus a square by v square. So root over 9 minus 4 divided by 9, that is equal to root 5 by 9. Leave it like this. E1 completed. So what is the second conic? 9x square minus 4y square is equal to 36. In the second conic, x square by 4 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. Eccentricity E2 equal to root over a square plus b square by a square. So root over 4 plus 9 divided by 4. So root 13 divided by 4. Okay, dear students. Later, what is the third conic? X square minus y square equal to 36. It is a rectangular hyperbola. This is ellipse. This is hyperbola. This is rectangular hyperbola. For rectangular hyperbola, eccentricity is E3 is always constant, root 2. Later, what they are asking to calculate, therefore, consider 18 E1 square plus E2 square into E3 square equal to. So 18 into E1 square, the square of this value is 5 by 9. Plus E2 square, square of this one is 13 by 4 into square of E3, 2. So 18 into 2, 36 into, here 36 is the LCM, 20 plus 39 is 117. So 117 and 20 is 137. This is the final answer, dear students. I hope everyone understand. Thank you for joining this session. Still any doubts are there, please write in the comment box. I will help you in my free time. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Exam side mathematics by Manu. I will continue with the integration in the coming days.